Mama, I know you said you wanted a record that you could listen to with no cussing and shit. I tried, but I still gotta do this. Jingle, jingle, we've got the lingo. With so much heat, it's hard for us to pick the first single. It don't matter, cause I'm underground anyway. Rich bone, call and fly any day. You dirty niggas, y'all too whack to dance. Y'all need to ease up off that down, or y'all split y'all pants and leave that up to my It's young fly, it's getting down, do or die. Don't try this, I changed my mind. I don't want you, cause sorry ass women just don't get rich, you can keep her. I'd rather have a Fifi bag because it's cheaper. You can't come up for air now, I get deeper. And my hold is so cold, it's a sleeper. So pass the reefer. And till you false ballin', it's just grab your crotches. But if you pay, pat your pockets.
For sure, yeah. You got yours, I've got mine. So we're ballin'.
That's right.
So call up everybody.
What we doing?
Let's pitch in on a party for sure. You got yours,
yeah.
I've got mine. So we're ballin'.
Like a mother.
So call up everybody. Let's pitch in on a party.
Alright, somebody bring the potato salad. Let's take a ballot on who gon' invite the hoes that make the party valid. Cause we don't need a whole crib full of dudes again. Then here come the police with them big black boots again. Kicking niggas out, handcuffing and stuffing the gang of Jackie Chicken in their mouth. And China Sean pitching a fit, cause somebody wrote her in a Henny blunt and won't pass the shit. Who keep turning the lights on? Why the music keep skipping? And why these dirty khaki tripping? I don't know, I'm quick and I'm still delighted. $500 worth of White Star, about to hide it. Cause y'all ain't drinking mine up. You better drink that E&J and Parmesan and the rest of that wine up. You party haters need to stop it. I think we really about to pat y'all pockets.
For sure, you got yours,
Yeah.
I've got mine. So we're ballin'.
That's right.
So call up everybody.
What we doing?
Let's pitch in on a party for sure. You got yours,
Yeah.
I've got mine. So we're ballin'.
Like a mother.
So call up everybody. Let's pitch in on a party
Hey baby,
for sure.
my girlfriend left me today. So which one of you old ragged wanna come in here and play? That's what my homie told her, tryna cop the Cancun. Then I caught him in there hunching in my downstairs bathroom, and in the kitchen, and up in there on the dance floor by the big screen TV. Where your pants go? Boy, you niggas, I swear. I try to throw y'all raggedy ass a party, and y'all don't even care. Cigarette burns in my plush, empty beer bottles in the brush, and my bitch acting like a lush. Boy, what else could go wrong? Somebody to kick the stitcher cord out. Move. Y'all gotta be some of the clumsiest motherfuckers. To the sounds, now song. Y'all the up, get out, get on, speed up, get up, take your weed on. Yeah, the trunk, you said it, your pockets, that's where I'm headed. Kick up.
For sure, you got yours.
Yeah.